was a beautiful young girl named Cinderella. She lived with her stepmother and two ugly stepsisters who were very cruel to her.
Miss Mother. Cinderella, did you clean the kitchen? Yes, I did. Did you polish my shoes? Yes, I did. Did you iron my clothes? Yes, I did. And did you make breakfast? Yes, breakfast is ready.
Sisters made Cinderella do all the hard work. A letter from the royal palace arrived.
A letter from the royal palace has arrived for you. Give it to me. I want it. No, I want to open it. Look, we are invited to the princess ball at the royal palace. I wish I could go too.
The night of the ball arrived.
We're going to have a great time at the ball. Have a great night with Cinderella.
After the evil stepsisters had left, suddenly a fairy appeared with a band of elves.
must be back. Okay, fairy godmother, thank you.
At the ball, everyone wondered who the beautiful princess was. Such a beautiful woman in my life.
Oh no! The prince is going to dance with her.
This is not fair. He was meant to dance with me.
Would you like to dance with me?
Oh yes, your highness.
The prince danced every dance with her. Suddenly, the clock began to strike 12.
Oh, I must go. Thank you for the dance.
Please say, what's her name? Cinderella did not answer and ran back to the coach, but she lost one of her glass slippers on the way. Then the coach and the soldiers disappeared. Cinderella's beautiful dress turned back to rags.
Oh no, everything's gone. My beautiful dress and my sparkling slippers. Where are they? Was it a dream?
The next day, the prince set out to find Cinderella again. Soldiers,
Yes, Majesty.
I want every girl in the kingdom to try on this lost glass slipper. I must find my princess.
Yes, my lord.
But the glass slippers didn't fit anyone. The prince then arrived at Cinderella's house.
Welcome, Prince. I have two beautiful daughters. I'm sure the slipper will fit anyone of them.
Good morning, Prince. I'm so happy that you found my slipper. It is my slipper. I'm the princess you're searching for.
The ugly sisters tried to fit into the slipper.
Let me try first. No, your feet are much too big. Give it to me.
Their feet were much too big. Is there any other girl in this house?
Yes,
Let that girl cry.
but that's only a week. She didn't go to the ball. The slipper won't fit her.
Cinderella sat down and tried on the slipper.
It fits. It fits.
You're the one I've been looking for.
What's her name? My name is Cinderella.
The godmother appears once again. into a beautiful ball dress. The prince had found his princess, and they lived happily ever after.
माझ्या प्रिय बाळांनो, तुम्हाला ही गोष्ट तर समजलीच असेल. सिंड्रेला खूप कष्ट करत होती आणि ती कष्ट करत होती, आईवडिलांचं मान ठेवत होती, म्हणून तिला थोडी प्रसन्न झाली. तर माझे बालमित्रांनो, तुम्ही सुद्धा आजपासून जर फेरी तुमच्या घरी यायची असेल तर तुम्ही आईवडिलांचा मान ठेवा, अभ्यासात खूप मन लावून अभ्यास करा आणि सगळ्यांचं मान ठेवा आणि सगळ्यांना रिस्पेक्ट द्या. हीच फेरीची विनंती आहे. जर ही फेरी तुमच्या घरी यायची असेल तर तुम्ही आजपासून सिंड्रेलासारखं वागा. थँक्यू. श्री सच्चिदानंद सद्गुरू साईनाथ महाराज की जय.